The new Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra might have a 6.9-inch screen. Before, the Galaxy S20 Ultra had the same size screen. But after that, Ultra models like the S21 Ultra and S24 Ultra had slightly smaller screens at 6.8 inches. At Negative UN Hero says that a Samsung insider named Ice Universe mentioned that the Galaxy S25 Ultra will have a 6.9-inch screen. However, Ice Universe hasn't posted about this on their social media accounts like X and Weibo. Samsung's Galaxy S21 Ultra, S22 Ultra, S23 Ultra, and S24 Ultra all have a 6.8-inch OLED screen. But rumors suggest that the Galaxy S25 Ultra might have a more luxurious look with slimmer borders around the screen. Here's a rundown of Samsung's Ultra models. S25 Ultra, rumored to have a 6.8-inch screen. S24 Ultra, 6.8-inch. S23 Ultra, 6.8-inch. S22 Ultra, 6.8-inch. S21 Ultra, 6.8-inch. S20 Ultra, 6.9-inch. Before, there were rumors suggesting that the Galaxy S25 Ultra might have a redesigned look. This redesign could involve changes like a new arrangement for the cameras, slimmer borders around the screen, improvements for easier handling, and adjustments to make it easier to use with one hand. The upcoming Galaxy S series from Samsung is expected to feature both Exynos 2500 and Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chipsets. There are also talks about upgrading the camera sensors across all models. However, the main goal appears to be providing the best possible user experience by focusing on both hardware and software improvements. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra stands out as one of the priciest smartphones on the market. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra's most controversial design change was swapping the 10x optical zoom for a 5x zoom. While the 5x zoom had a higher megapixel count, 50 versus 10, it didn't quite match the 10x zoom quality. Users missed the unique selling point of the 10x zoom. Rumors suggest the return of a 10x zoom with an improved sensor and more megapixels, possibly using a variable optical zoom sensor for flexibility. Let's hope for the best. Thank you so much for joining me in this video. If you enjoyed what you saw, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button below. Peace out.